A sweet-sounding engine is like music to some ears. The lope of a cam, the whine of a blower, the spool of a turbo, or the rumble of an exhaust has turned down the volume of many radios to hear the music from under a hood. This is Chop Cut Rebuild. Some builders focus on preparing metal, others discover new ways to create with it. If they invest in tools that help them create, they create new ways to deliver new ideas. And new ideas can pay off big.
How are you?
Good.
So this is your new Tracker Pro Table Hypotherm cutter, right?
It's a new toy.
Nice.
My name's Joe Conduff. I'm a lead fabricator here at the 401K Club Hot Rod Shop. We got a brand new Tracker CNC plasma table.
One of the benefits that this machine is going to give us here is the ability to make custom frames.
The Tracker Pro Table comes complete with an operator station and is ready to run within a couple of hours after delivery. Training is even offered online with Bluetooth technology that allows instructors to control and demonstrate on your machine directly from the classroom.
The new software that came with the Tracker CNC machine has also been updated, so it allows you to mirror images, flip, rotate, which in my other program I couldn't do that.
What glasses do you have?
I have these dark glasses for
You have those? This is what Dana gave me. It's something from his old high school that was left over, but I think it does the job, right? Oh, yeah.
Oh, they look good on you.
Yeah.
Are you going scuba diving now?
I asked him if he had a set, and he said, I've got a set that'll look peachy. So I guess it's the right era.
First off, when I decided to cut the frame rails for the vehicle, I cut the passenger side first. The reason doing so is I had to mirror it to cut the opposite side to maximize my cutting area. Hypertherm and Tracker is a good marriage, I believe. Hypertherm's been out for a long time. They have really good plasma cutters. So far, with me using Tracker, I've used Tracker machines for the last 10 years. Their machines work very well. They don't really hiccup.
That is amazing. So this even cut out a bowl hole.
Yeah, this is for a bowl hole. This is where we're gonna put these in here.
Uh-huh.
So what we'll do is, I'm gonna weld that there, and then this will be welded here.
Yeah. And then these pieces will fill
in here.
to box it.
Correct.
We had Dan helping Joe out, cleaning some of the parts after I got him cut on the Tracker machine.
So Joe said to bring these to Joe.
Joe said to bring these to Joe. All right, cool. My name is Joe Weaver, and I'm a metal fabricator. Today, when me and Dan started working together, as the parts came off the plas table, I showed Dan how to prep them. And so after a little guiding, he just went after it. And
So on this side, you're just tacking?
yep, I will, just one tack.
Okay.
Allows for alignment, and we'll be good to go from there.
Okay.
The prep work we did on the pieces cleans up any oxidization that happened to the metal while it was stored. A cleaned weld surface is critical to a quality weld.
When we assembled the halves of the rear frame, everything lined up really well. Again, that's, you know, a tribute to the Tracker system and Joe's programming being spot on. Once the first frame rail was done, we started on the second. They're a mirror image of each other, so the process just started over.
Once we finished the rear portion of the frame, it was time to dress the center section of the frame. So we measured, we pre-measured, and we started cutting our cross members.
Once they were both together, clamped them together, final check to make sure they were the same, and they were ready to get tacked to the chassis.
What started this morning as a sheet of flat metal will look and hold as if it were square mandrel bent tubing. Creativity just took a big leap forward.
If you get this completed, you'll be able to get a job anywhere.
I know. The aesthetics of the frame, I'm really liking. Joe and I came up with a way to make it look cool and actually have function.
This is how the guys at the 401K Club play the frame game.